To factor the polynomial negative 4x to the third plus 20x squared minus 2x using fill in the blanks, we're going to use the steps off to the left. So the first thing is always to identify what your greatest common factor is between the terms of your polynomial. Now remember, if your leading coefficient is negative, which in this case it is, that means your GCF is also going to be negative. So the GCF between negative 4, 20, and negative 2 is going to be negative 2. Now since each term of our polynomial actually has an x for the variable, we want to also factor out an x with our GCF. Now when we go to draw our parentheses and we create our blanks, since this is a trinomial and there's 3 terms, that means inside of our parentheses we want to draw 3 blanks. We always want to remember to write that GCF in front of our parentheses, so that's step 3. Now the last part of this is to fill in each one of those blanks inside the parentheses. And remember, we're wanting to get back to that original trinomial. So take it piece by piece. What do we have to multiply negative 2x by to get back to negative 4x to the third? Well, negative 2 times a positive 2 will give us that negative 4. X times an x squared will get us back to x to the third. Moving on to that second blank, negative 2 times what is going to give us a positive 20? Well, negative 2 times a negative 10 gives us positive 20, and then x times another x will get us back to that x squared. And then finally, that last blank, negative 2x times what is going to get us back to negative 2x? Well, negative 2x times a positive 1 gets us back to negative 2x. So our final answer here, and you can always check to make sure that you factored this correctly by going through and doing multiplication, but negative 2x was our GCF, and then when we factored that out, we were left with 2x squared minus 10x plus 1 inside the parentheses. So this is the factored form of that original trinomial up here.